Hello friends, welcome to another new video of MALNAD Automotive Koppa. This is a 2011 model vehicle which we have completely restored from the beginning using genuine MGP spare parts and accessories. As you can see in the video, each and everything is put brand new and it's built like a brand new vehicle. This vehicle is already being sold out, but if any of the viewers are willing to buy a Gypsy, can contact us on our WhatsApp number which is given below or which is shown in the screen. We also provide a 1-year mechanical guarantee for all the mechanical issues. Like if in case you get a mechanical issue, we'll solve it within a 1 year of span. There are many Gypsies getting ready, and also we have many Gypsies come for engine swap like 1.3 to 1.6 and 1000cc carb to 1.6 balloon engine and all. And this is the end result of how the vehicle has been built. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, and also follow us on our Instagram accounts.